Rebuilding our bonds, strengthening connections in our lives. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic that touches the hearts and lives of many: rebuilding our bonds. Whether it's with family, friends, or within our communities, understanding how to strengthen these connections can lead to more fulfilling relationships and a supportive environment. Let's explore what this phrase truly means and how we can apply it in our daily lives. At its core, rebuilding our bonds refers to the process of repairing or strengthening relationships that have been weakened or damaged over time. This could be due to misunderstandings, conflicts, or simply the hustle and bustle of daily life that prevents us from spending quality time with each other. Rebuilding these bonds is about making a conscious effort to reconnect, understand, and appreciate the people in our lives. Strong bonds are the foundation of a supportive and loving community. They provide us with a sense of belonging, help us feel understood and valued, and offer comfort during challenging times. When these connections are weakened, we might feel isolated or neglected. Therefore, rebuilding our bonds is crucial for our emotional well-being and the health of our relationships. Listening and understanding. The first step towards rebuilding any relationship is to listen actively and try to understand the other person's perspective. This means giving them your full attention, acknowledging their feelings, and showing empathy towards their experiences. Communicating openly. Open and honest communication is key. Express your feelings, concerns, and desires clearly and respectfully. It's also important to be receptive to what the other person has to say, even if it's difficult to hear. Spending quality time together. Rekindling relationships often requires spending quality time together. Engage in activities that both parties enjoy, share experiences, and create new memories. This can strengthen the bond and remind you of the reasons you value each other. Showing appreciation and gratitude. Sometimes, we take our relationships for granted. Regularly showing appreciation and expressing gratitude for the people in our lives can reinforce the bond and make them feel valued. Rebuilding our bonds is not always easy, but it's a worthwhile endeavor that can lead to stronger, more meaningful connections. By listening, communicating, spending quality time, and showing appreciation, we can nurture our relationships and create a supportive, loving environment. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video inspires you to reach out and strengthen the bonds in your life.